Okay, I see it.
Oh, I heard it.
Yeah.
Watch out, camera behind you. Nice.
Yeah. Okay, what time is it now, Don?
3:26.
Okay, so that was a 7-minute expedition right there, just for the sake of the video. Pauses.
Oh, you didn't put the grease on it.
Yeah.
Did you?
I don't know, did I? I don't think I did. Pretty much any grease will work for this, but dielectric grease ain't gonna hurt nothing.
No, I mean the anti-seize one.
Oh. Okay. No, actually, I did put it on. That was, right? Or did I? Shucks.
I don't think so.
All right. We'll make sure then. I just won't drop it this time.
I can't remember if you put the grease on before it fell. The
Yeah, I
first
think I
time.
did drop it before.
I think it just popped out.
Okay. Carefully.
Is there any? No. It's
That's
a lot.
Ah.
Too much?
Yeah, there's no such thing as too much.
Okay.
Not with this anyway. Alrighty,
Third time's a charm.
back in business. All right. Time.